Jeez! This crazy journey is not part of getting to the falls, but Shelby talked me into it.
Yeah. My mom's gonna be, why are you doing all that dangerous stuff?
Oh, it's a waterfall!
Look how freaking cool that looks.
Oh, that was worth it. Oh, look at this crazy view. Today we're bringing you to Syphon Falls, which is stunning. And there's an extra little lookout point if you want to climb a steep hill, which is definitely worth seeing.
Yeah, it was interesting. It was pretty steep, but it was so much fun.
The difficult route, eh?
I don't think we can do it.
We'll see.
Can't handle difficult. Oh, shoe spikes when you need them.
Mine are in the car.
I didn't bring mine.
It's a good place for them.
I honestly don't think I'll need them though. I don't think it's gonna be that hard.
Hey, sweetie! Now we're on it's kind of a slippery cliff. Oh. Sounding more and more like a waterfall's coming though. Ah! Jeez!
I'm slippery.
Come on, babe.
Oh, I'm going.
Oh, it's a waterfall!
Maybe I went the wrong way.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Look how freaking cool that looks.
So, this crazy journey is not part of getting to the falls, but Shelby talked me into it.
Yeah.
That we should try and get up higher, holy. So, we're giving it a whirl.
I'm surprised you're doing it because you're doing pretty good there.
Ah! Holy.
Oh no. I'm choosing a different route.
Let's go. Yeah. Here we go, climbing a hill again.
My little short legs can't keep up.
Oh, that burns.
That does.
The epic adventures up the hill. Holy, my goodness. Oh, save me. Oh, oh, that was worth it. Oh, look at this crazy view. Holy, my goodness.
Okay, now, who's right?
This girl.
All the views are high, the high up are worth it. You gotta work for it. You gotta work.
All right, going right past the waterfall is how you get up to this beautiful place, which is definitely worth it. You just have to climb up a sketchy mountain, which will probably be a lot easier when it's summer and not as wet. But for now, it's still pretty crazy. Here you can see Shelby trying to get down right now.
Oh gosh. Oh, that's steep.
I'll get footage of her. The waterfall's right over there.
You just gotta channel your inner Billy Goat. Plant your feet, people. A lot of the time people want to grab onto like these sticks, but you gotta be careful with that and not rely on that, because if one of these is loose and you
Oh, for
pull
sure.
the stick out, you're going for a ride.
And there's some thorn bushes here and there too.
I usually just use them for like balance, but not like.
Yeah.
I don't rely on it.
Got a dead twig.
Yeah, helpful tips.
Whoa. I am not reliable for anyone who goes up here and loses their footing. We made it down from the hill in one piece. Time to say goodbye to Syphon Falls on the way back to the car.
Goodbye, Falls.
Bye! It's been swell. Whoa. I videoed you going down there like crazy. Whoa. Holy! Yeah, I can see why you did that.
My mom's gonna be, why are you doing all that dangerous stuff? I can hear it now.
Yeah, Mama Joan.
That's dangerous, you know? People die every day. Gotta love her.
We have many more adventures to come. You guys should stick around. Subscribe if you like it. Even give a like if you want to,
You
too.
can hit the little bell for the notifications.
We'll be posting every Thursday, so if you like this, you don't want to miss what's coming up.
Yeah, lots of cool hikes around BC, mostly BC. I don't think we'll go outside
Yeah.
of BC for now anyways.
Yeah.